Ladies and gentlemen, the police officers are coming forward. They're going to have to exit the wing from the wing exit.
Thank you. I need to get to my car now. You're not listening. Go to
I'm not a child. I'm grown. I'm trying to use the bathroom. The lady is coming. I see the bathroom. Are you my boss? You are white privilege. You're not my boss. Sit down. Sit down. You don't have privilege over me.
Oh, I don't.
Thank you. You have privilege. No, but all of a sudden you got to go back here. You wait for me to get to my bathroom and have respect for me like you've been having. You have white privilege and it's not here. It's over with. It's 2020.
Yes, it is.
Wake up. You got a mask on.
Yes, I do.
So you're under the government too. You're confined. And you don't have white privilege anymore. I'm a queen. California. She was from a black queen. Okay. You don't run me. You go to the bathroom. You shut up and stay in your lane. Okay. You have nothing to do with this little girl. And I need to get to the bathroom. Like I said, y'all don't run people. You don't run America, you run yourself. So get off your little mentality that you better than somebody, because you're not.
Everybody on the street, you do not accept that Jesus was a black man. Until everybody, I will kill everybody except it. Die in the name of Jesus!